Stop paying freelancers thousands to create cartoon videos like AI. You can clone yourself into an engaging cartoon avatars. Customize everything, including clothing, hair, body, face, props, and more with the avatar customization engine. Bring your characters to life with over 40 actions, from running and walking to cycling and working. Speed up your video creation with hundreds of ready-made templates for every industry and style. Edit, crop, and animate with ease using the full-feature timeline video editor. Need a script? Just type a keyword and our AI robot will craft an engaging video script for you. Elevate your videos with millions of copyright-free Toon assets, text effects, shapes, and animations. Turn text into lifelike voices with text-to-speech. You can create unlimited videos without paying any monthly. Discover all the features.